Thanks, Nate. Should schools close? That's one of the biggest questions being asked in our area tonight. Districts in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut have announced closures, some long-term and some short-term. Mayor Bill de Blasio said Friday that New York City public schools will remain open. Governor Murphy said Friday that 85% of public school districts in the Garden State have a food plan in place for students who rely on meals throughout the day. Let's bring in tonight's A-plus panel. Social commentator Lisa Durden back with us. Good to see you, Lisa.
Of course.
And Bob Bianchi, defense attorney and former prosecutor. Good to see you, Bob.
Hi, Bill.
Bob, I'm going to start with you on this. The question is, should the schools be closed, and what kind of an impact is this having on families, the economy, the kids? What do you think?
Huge impact. I'll start off with something that's really basic, especially in New York City schools. A lot of these kids rely on their principal meal in the school, sadly enough, nutritious meal. The second thing is that there's a lot of hardworking families out there where mom and dad, or a single parent for that matter, have to go to work. So what are they going to do about childcare issues? You know, it's always the people in the lower socioeconomic circumstances that get hurt really bad with this kind of thing. But the alternative is, what are we going to do if we find out that we didn't take these proactive measures and these children got sick or carried the disease to an elderly or immune compromised individual and got them sick? So it's a really hard call, I would think.
We keep forgetting that not just people in, I'm a single mom with childcare. What about our healthcare workers who are in the hospital? They have children. What about the fire department and the police officers who you want to still be on the beat and they have kids? Their kids should be in school.
This panic that was fueled by the media and now is being perpetuated by politicians has cleared the shelves of food and supplies, masks. You now have at risk our first responders, our medical professionals, and you've got to run on 911 calls and to the emergency room. All could have been prevented.
If you want 911 to work,
you're worried about the healthcare. Where I was an EMT, and you know what? I don't want to be transporting a bunch of sick kids to the hospital because they got a really bad symptoms.
But if that's your job, that's a part of the job. Period.com.
You try to eliminate that.
But you can't just totally wipe it out.
All that would be fine if we had similar protocols in place for the flu, which has already killed 136 kids.
That's true.
All right. Thank you, guys.